Hi guys, this is Pabbly Connect workshop. In this video, you will learn how to integrate WooCommerce to ActiveCampaign. So you already may know this, WooCommerce is an awesome e-commerce platform and ActiveCampaign is a cloud-based solution for email marketing. Basically, what we are trying to do is anytime a new order is created in WooCommerce, the data of the customer will be automatically inserted into ActiveCampaign's contact list. But WooCommerce and ActiveCampaign are two different companies, hence there is no integration between them. In cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. In this video, we will use Pabbly Connect to integrate WooCommerce to ActiveCampaign. It is an actually easy two-step process. Let me show you how it's done. First of all, you have to visit Pabbly Connect. So this is the website of Pabbly Connect. Here click on Sign In. When you click on Sign In, you will be brought to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have an account in Pabbly Connect. You can build your own account in just 2 minutes. Now bring your attention to the Connect part. Here click on Access Now. Now here you will find a button called as Create New Workflow. Just click it. Okay, it is asking you to give a workflow name. I am going to give it as WooCommerce to ActiveCampaign. WooCommerce to ActiveCampaign. Then click on Save. When you click on Save, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Here in the Choose app, change it from Webhook to WooCommerce. In the Choose method, we have to change it from New Coupon Created to New Order Created. Basically, the idea is whenever there is a new order created in WooCommerce by a customer, the system will trigger. Now, let's go to our WooCommerce. Now here you will find the option called as Settings. Click on Settings. At the right end you will find an option called as Advanced. Just click it. Now bring your attention to the part called as Webhooks. Just click it. Now there is a button called as Add Webhook. Just click it. Okay, so this is a page called as Webhook Data. Now we have to assign a name to this new webhook that we are going to create. I'm going to give a random name. PQR webhook or something. Now the status, we have to change it from disabled to active. The topic should be order created because that's the idea. Whenever there is a new order created by a customer, the system will trigger. So the topic is order created, this one. Now comes the most important part, the delivery URL. To get the delivery URL, just go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the delivery URL you want. This is also known as webhook URL. Copy this and paste it here. Now the secret will remain as empty. The API version will remain as WP REST API Integration v3. Then click on Save Webhook. Okay, it is showing that the webhook has been created. So basically we have integrated WooCommerce to Pabbly Connect. Now let's see whether Pabbly Connect can capture any data from WooCommerce. To do that, let's go back to Pabbly Connect and click on Capture Webhook Response. Okay, it is showing that it is waiting for a webhook response. Now let's go back to WooCommerce. Now let's buy a product. Now this is the product page. Click on All Products. As you can see, I already have a series of products. These are all the products I have made. Now I'm going to select this product. View. Okay, now this is how a customer is going to buy this product, Apple Watch series. He is going to add to cart. And of course, this is the checkout page. So I already have inserted the details of the customer. These are the dummy details of a dummy customer. The email address is tabassum.ahmadkhan2711@gmail.com. The last name is Quinn. The first name is Harley. The postal code is 123456. Again a dummy detail. Apartment is 100. Prefecture is Tokyo and Japan, city Leaf, and the address is Hokage. So basically all the details has been filled. So I'm going to place order. Okay, it is showing that the order has been placed. Now let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not. Let's go to Pabbly Connect. Okay, it is showing that it is waiting for a webhook response. Let's give it 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so as you can see, the data has been captured. So let's see the captured data. Okay, so the first name is Harley, the last name is Quinn, the billing address 1 is Hokage, the address is 1000, city is Leaf, and the state is JP13, that means Japan 13. Postcode is 123456, and of course the email tabassumahmedkhan2711@gmail.com. So basically we have fetched the data from WooCommerce in Pabbly Connect. So our integration between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect is done. Now we have to sync this data to ActiveCampaign. To do that, scroll down and here you will find this plus button. Just click it. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, we have to change it to ActiveCampaign. In the choose method, we have to keep it as create a contact. Of course, there are many actions available like create a deal, create a note and all. But for the moment, we just have to create a contact. So just keep it as create a contact. Then click on connect with ActiveCampaign. Okay, it's trying to connect. Yes. Okay, so in the previous credentials, we have to keep it as new credentials. And the API key, to get the API key, just go to our ActiveCampaign account. And here at the bottom, you will find settings. Click on settings. Here you will find developer. Just click on developer. Okay, now coming to URL and API key. So this is the API key you want. Just copy this and paste it here. Now coming to the parameters called as the URL. We want this URL. Okay, this is the URL we want. But there is one catch. We don't have to enter this HTTPS. Okay, we simply have to copy up to here. Copy this and paste it here. I repeat again, we don't have to add HTTPS. We basically only have to add this part. Okay, after pasting this, just click on save. Okay, so our authorization is successful. Now in the email, it is showing to add an email. So basically we are going to add the customer's email which we have mapped from WooCommerce. So this is the email. This is the email we mapped from WooCommerce by Pabbly Connect. In the first name, just add the name Harley. In the last name, that's Quinn, the last name. We are basically mapping all the information from WooCommerce. Basically we are building a prototype. Okay, so in the phone number, because there is no blank for phone number in WooCommerce checkout page. So let's keep it as empty and then click on save and send test request. Okay, it is showing that the API response is showing that the data has been given to ActiveCampaign. So let's go to ActiveCampaign and see in the contacts if we have a person called as Harley Quinn. Okay, yes, we have a person called as Harley Quinn in our contact list. The presence of this customer shows that we have successfully connected WooCommerce to ActiveCampaign with help of Pabbly Connect. This means that anytime a new order is created by a customer in WooCommerce, that data will be automatically created as a contact in ActiveCampaign. But for your satisfaction, let's check it one more time if the integration is working fine or not. To do that, let's go to Pabbly Connect and simply save this workflow. Okay. Minimize this, then save this. And minimize this also. So this is the whole process in a nutshell. We have integrated WooCommerce to Pabbly Connect and then we have integrated Pabbly Connect to ActiveCampaign. So in return, WooCommerce is now directly connected with ActiveCampaign. So let's check it one more time if the integration is working. To do that, let's go to the dashboard. Let's purchase one more product or product. Okay, so this time I'm going to buy this Swiss watch. Click on view. Add to cart. Okay, so this time in the dummy details we have a person called as Aaron Manuel and the email address is of course aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com. These are all dummy details of a dummy customer. The address is 196 sector 2 and rest of the details. Then click on place order. Okay, so the checkout is successful. So let's check in ActiveCampaign if a person called as Aaron Manuel is available in the contact list. So this is ActiveCampaign. Just refresh this. Yes, as you can see, the data has arrived. A person called as Aaron Manuel is available here and his email address is aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com. So this means our integration is working absolutely fine. So from now onwards, whenever a new product is purchased in your WooCommerce store, that customer's data will be automatically added in ActiveCampaign's contact list. Also, you should know not just WooCommerce and ActiveCampaign, you can integrate a ton of applications using Pabbly Connect. Thanks.